Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail with Monday.com. To do that, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. And from here, click on administration. On the left hand side, guys, you want to go ahead and click on connectors. And then you want to click on automation connectors. This is going to take you over to the automation connections. And just go ahead and click on explore integrations, and you want to look for Gmail within the list. If you scroll down, you should normally find it under recommendations, but if you are not able to find it, you can just simply type in Gmail and you will find it as a productivity tool here. Just go ahead and click Gmail, and once you click on Gmail, you can basically choose how you want to use Gmail, right? So as you can see, you have a bunch of different, let's say, templates that you can use. As it says, connect to your Gmail with your board, right? Automatically transform email into action items and updates, right? So you can go ahead and use whatever you want. So you have a bunch of use cases right here. You can go ahead and choose them. So take, for example, this option that says when an email is received, create an item in group. You can go ahead and click on that. And here you will choose, for example, your board. I can choose this one here and then simply click and connect, right? As you can see, it's going to ask to basically sign into your email. You can go ahead and just select all, click and continue right here, and it's going to take you right back into right that setup on monday.com. And this is no setup as easy. As you can see, it's here, right here. It says when an email is received, create an item in group, right? So you can click in there and you can say any email, you can say body, whatever it is, right? You can choose whatever it is that you want to do, right? Then same goes for group. You can choose whatever group you want right there, and it's done. So you can click the create automation. Keep in mind that you want to go ahead and pre-fill these stuff. So I'm gonna just choose something here right here, and you will see once you click and create, it's gonna create that automation for you. So that's pretty much it. And right now you can see that the automation is set, and here it is at the bottom right here. And that's all that you really have to do. So if you're looking to really set up automation with Gmail, this is how you can easily do it. This is a typical example of how to do that within monday.com.